Just gonna see you up. Mr. Croak? Your amiibos are inside this bag. 10 of them to be exact. Excuse me? There are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. While these ones were still taken out. They're the outhouse.
Well, they can just call within your team build thingy on what they want to. They don't need anything.
You're right. I'm hearing a goat screaming! What's with the goat screaming, Mr. Coach? I don't know. The team belt thingies. Pa, what have you become?
Nothing.
Yeah. Plus, Bell, all of these amiibos are inside the baggie from TV shows, movies, and video games. And every amiibo character is equal. For Team Belt! Yeah, good one. Guess we figured out a cleaner way to get all of your amiibos into baggies for cleaners.